County in the Panhandle of Idaho, southwestern Shoshone County in the Panhandle of Idaho, until 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Clarkia, or 25 miles southeast of St. Mary's, and moving north at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Fernwood, Sant and Calder, in addition to large hail and damaging winds. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: in Idaho, Benoit, Lata, and Shoshone. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Benoit County in the Panhandle of Idaho. In the Panhandle of Idaho until 8:50 of year. Unicorn. Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Raising Bump of St. Mary's and moving north.
Better and
Struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe daylight time for the following counties: in Idaho, Benoit, Lata, and Shoshone.
Right.